Air Products has been around for more than 50 years. We've been participating in the gaseous industry, whether it's industrial, food and beverage. But we're here to showcase our food and beverage line, which is MAP. Air Products has got facilities throughout the country. We are represented in Western Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, and up in the Reef. So all our facilities have the reach to our retailers. Propak is always a very interesting event for us as a company. We support a lot of our OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. We support them at the events. So those are the guys that generally give us the leads to customers, because you can't do MAP without an OEM. And generally when we're out here, we look for leads, we look for new technologies, something that's interesting to us and where we can plug in our gas. We are promoting our MAP range, which is modified atmospheric packaging, and we're also promoting our CO2 range, our beers and our carbonation. So these are products that primarily we use into food and packaging, obviously to extend the shelf life of the products and give it a good appearance as well. And then on the carbonation side, we are concentrating on our non-alcoholic and our alcoholic beverages. And these generally we supply to our clients, and our clients do the bottling for that. We're going to go down to Hall 6, where a couple of the OEMs are. We're hoping that there's new technologies out there at the expo this year, because Propak is always a showcase for suppliers to promote the new technologies. So we're quite interested to find out in the next 3 days if there's new technologies and how we can get in contact with those companies. So I think as Air Products, we sort of aligned ourselves that it's a fast-paced world. Things are changing rapidly. Everybody wants their food now. So where we plug in on our MAP side is that we will provide the gaseous on time. And the one thing to state is that the gases that we provide are all food-grade certified products. So if you go into industry, you can't put an industrial product into a food packaging. So we make sure that we have the relevant accreditation for that. Generally, we sort of engage with startup companies, and these startup companies over the years start to grow. And we have solutions where when they grow, instead of starting off with cylinders, we can then plug in little tanks and then bigger tanks. And then the benefit of that is that you have exactly the same product, but these products are now certified food grade. And then as a supplier, we are able to monitor our customers' levels. So nobody needs to physically place an order for gas. We will deliver as and when required in the tank. The Propak show is always a show that we are really interested in. Our Freshline brand, which is what we are promoting for the next 4 days, it's a brand that's definitely growing. It's a brand that we are able to stand by in terms of reliability, in terms of service delivery, and the freshest product. So all of our products are certified. When I say certified, each cylinder has got a certification. It will tell you when it was produced. It will tell you all the contaminants or not, what was eliminated, and there's full traceability. So if a customer says to us that their product is either gone off or there's something wrong with the gas, we are able to trace it all the way back to who filled the cylinder, when it was filled, and how we tested as well.